these things go?
And a popcorn alone want him Toni-Ann sing.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Welcome to the DuttyBerryShow's coverage of Sting 2022.
Alright, so box cover Duttyberry here, Sting 2022, and I'm here with the latest, the most trending dancehall artist. But me just want to go move out from those regular dancehall now, okay? It look like you're ready for those care over international. Armanii, how you feeling?
We're not elated, we're just cool, isn't it?
We just say well got elated?
Yeah.
And a word you hear dancehall artists use every now and again, elated. Wow, right there and then you show say you're a cut above the rest. The man say elated. Okay, vocabulary. Alright, so what brings you here? You perform on stage or what?
No, I'm not perform yet, I don't work yet, but a culture Sting, you know?
Yeah.
And once you want to be a part of the dancehall community, you have to follow that Sting and them thing there. Sting is the biggest dancehall concert, so naturally we'd have for there. Yeah.
Okay, I think about coming to say J Free, I'm say, okay, I know say you're my bridging, some of the speakers say, yo, I just saw you go. Talk to us about your year. Like, I'm sure it has been an incredible year. I see you like pretty much like so excited when you step out and you perform and you realize that the people really gravitate to you. Yeah. Not just your music, but it just seems your overall personality. What does that feel like as what I call like a Gen Z, artist coming up in the space? It's great
because so we have the TikTok crowd there already. So that to really give it a push and a momentum to just move forward with it. But it's a great feeling because the year is a great year actually. What do I call it? We have some of the biggest songs them.
Tell the people
the whole year.
No,
we have Wild and Wicked.
Yes.
We have Talk Bad One.
No, you can.
We have No Fox.
Yeah.
No, we have Party Time with 9.
Yes.
We have whole heap of them. So it's really a great year.
And those trending dances, me see all your teacher Winford.
Yeah,
Winford
Winford
out there
cool,
about the place.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so my thing is that what do you plan to like change into like 2023 now? Because now that people are familiar with you, are you planning to then say, okay, I'm gonna give them a different side of Armanii?
And them take the thing more serious, you see me? Because them probably just think it's like a TikTok artist thing. But when them just take the thing more serious and show them say, yo, we're there for stay.
Cause that's what I wonder, like when you're in the space now and you go around like the more like senior dancehall artists, you find them embrace you, or is there a thing where them look when you're like, oh yeah, TikTok talent, so you know
man,
really.
Them embrace it, man, because even Egyptian posted and say him don't know who this is, but this youth is.
So you get the stamp of approval.
Yeah, so you get the stamp of approval from a legend. They just say you have to go and say you have to work on your longevity, so you can stay in the game. So,
alright, so you talk about the whole entire TikTok, like please tell the people them out there, why has that app been so like essential to a lot of the rising artists them, like have been emerging in the Jamaican space? Like what's so special about it and like how is it different from I guess like traditional media?
The app itself have more traffic than Google, so once something people are searching on that more. Obviously once you're viral on it, it's really easy like this to get a trending song or something. So once you use it to the best ability and the best marketing strategy, you can't miss.
Question, which school you went to?
Kingston College.
Kingston College, okay, definitely makes a lot of sense. Went to college?
No.
Oh, you just went straight into just what, music?
Yeah.
Oh, so music has always been the goal?
Yeah.
Never anything else, never anything like a different profession?
They always want to be, everybody want to be soldier and the police and
stuff. No, I think they're going to say doctor, the regular
the regular regular, but I call it, music was always my passion.
Okay, so as an artist right now, is it a lot easier to go and get vagina? Like, has it been like better that way? Like you don't have to put that much effort, you don't have to even jump in a DM?
I mean,
so has it been offered to you now where you just finish a stage show and then bam, it's there if you wanted to?
Naturally.
Oh.
Right up passage.
Okay, so if you saw like say a nice, like Miss World or something like that, just jump in, would you be the type of person be like, alright, then we can just figure out these things go?
And a popcorn alone want him Toni-Ann sing.
Wow. Okay. Okay, so you tell me say the next stage of Miss Jamaica Universe or Miss Jamaica World, you'll be there looking for her, so you can build a song too and stuff like that.
Yes,
okay, that is it, so ladies right now, we're going to put him social media right here. So he's just saying that he's there for the taking. Especially if you're seeking to enter Miss Jamaica World or Miss Jamaica Universe. Armanii is there for you. So before you're going to move to play my game called When Last.
Yeah.
So let's answer these things, right? When last you cuss somebody?
Cuss?
Yeah, man. You get upset and cuss somebody.
3 hours ago.
Oh, Jesus, what was it about? Sure. Let it off. Okay, me understand now. When last somebody violate you?
2 weeks ago.
Oh Jesus, that dirty drunk. Oh Jesus Christ, what was the DJ? Call the DJ name.
I didn't even know him name.
No, wow. Which is a violation.
But you know yourself too in a youth.
Alright, so question now. When last you lost something?
Today. Yeah.
When last somebody beg your money?
Today.
Jesus Christ. I want somebody pay your team?
No.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, so when last your master works?
Yo, later. Listen me.
Yo, you're getting a problem in our big up yourself in the man.